Today I am going to present my topic PLC based automated system from subject process automation. So introduction. PLC, programmable logic control, an industrial digital computer used for controlling machines and processes. Replace traditional relay based control system used for real time monitoring, automation and control system. So PLC, programmable logic control. This is used to program a logic and control it via your computer and control the big machines using processors. So it replaces the traditional method of relay-based controlling, and real-time monitoring can happen. Why PLC for automation? Reliability, compactness, cost-effective, real-time. These are the key aspects of PLC for automation. So in flexibility, program can be modified easily. In reliability, works continuously in tough conditions. Compactness, save the wire space to relay. It is used for compactness and make the program and as well as the hardware small. Cost effective, reduce the maintenance and downtime. It is used to reduce the maintenance and downtime as we do maximum work on the logic development. So it reduces the maintenance. Real time operation, response immediately to the input. Component of PLC. These are the some key aspects of PLC. As you can see, there is the block diagram. You can see the components of PLC as CPU, memory, input, output, power supply, programmable device. You can see the input. We can get input as push button, contacts, limited switches, etc. The input get processes and we get output in form of indicator, contactors, alarms, timers, etc. Power supply is important as power supply provides DC to PLC, and the programmable device where we can program computer or HMI to write and monitor code. So CPU executes the control logic and memory to stores the data and as well as the code. So these are the components of PLC. Working of PLC. Here is a small example of working of PLC where you can see there is a cycle of input scan. The input reads the data from sensors and out we can get output in the forms of actuators, motors and relays where you can we can get the working of the motors. Program execution. The ladder runs the logic or other controls the program. So this cycle gets repeated continuously at the halt of milliseconds or the seconds. So the working of the PLC work until we push the stop button. So application of PLC based automation. Industrial manufacturing, conveyor system, traffic control, water treatment, food beverages and building automation are some of the key application of PLC based automation. You can see the day-to-day life you use the elevators as the lifts to go from first floor to the upper floors. So this is the real-time example of automation system. As food packaging and beverages, you can see the automatic packaging and filling machines. So this is also the example of PLC based automation, the filling of the soda bottles automatically. Also the water treatment plants, so pumps and valves which are used in the agriculture to control the valves as well as the pumps to circulate the water in all direction of the farms. Also the traffic control, automated signals like yellow, green and red signal which are used on the traffic control. It get automatically changes the as time changes. So here is a case study of sequential motor control which I have created for my project. So you can see I have implemented using RS Logic 500 software. So here is a start button and stop button. When I start the button, the motor get started as if all the motor get started at once. So it can cause the MCB to get down or short circuit. So to reduce this complexity, so I have given the motors to start after every 5 seconds. So the first motor will start after pressing the start button, but the second motor will start after 5 seconds. The third motor will start after the 5 seconds. After I push the stop button, all the motor will get reset. Also, I use one timer with binary bits to reduce the complexity. So this process will continuously go in the loop up to I stop the stop button to reset all the motors. So here is the program and here is the working of it. As advantage of PLC based automations: high accuracy and reliability, easy to program or modify, modular and scalable for small to large industry, improves productivity and reduces the human error, built-in troubleshooting and diagnostic, long-term cost Costing application across the industries and system. So industrial 4.0,